Hello, Year 6. Miss Maricel is back. How are you? Okay. So I am introducing new lesson. Actually, it's a continuation about positive and negative, but this time you should know our lesson for today is all about adding negative numbers and positive numbers, but you're going to use a number line. Okay? So our first objective, which is we are going to learn for today, is you need to know how to add negative and positive numbers using number line. Okay? You should know how to add negative and positive numbers using number line. Then, the next objective that you're going to learn, but you will learn tomorrow, I'm going to send you again another video about this topic. We need to involve temperature this time. So you are going to meet the words rise, increase, fall, or drop when we calculate the new temperature. The most important, you need to apply all what you have learned in the previous objectives. First objective, second objective, you should apply all of this in solving word problems. Okay? Involving negative numbers, adding negative numbers, as well as calculating the new temperature. Okay. So let's start with our first objective. You need to be able to add negative and positive numbers using number line. Here is my first example. We have a number given here, a question, -2 plus -3. This can be written also so that you won't be confused. It can be written as -2 and -3. What will be the sum? Okay, now I want you to concentrate and watch carefully my explanation. You can see here that our first number, our starting number is -2. It's like, let's add negative and positive, and we have to start. Our starting number is -2. If you remember in our previous lesson that all negative numbers are to the left of 0, and positive numbers to the right of 0, isn't it? Now, here is my number line. The first thing you're going to do, mark the first number line, a number in our number line. Here you go. So -2 has been circled. Okay, I boxed the -2 here. Now, let's go to second number. What is our number? -3. So, where is negative numbers located? Is it to the left of 0 or to the right of 0? So, yes. So, negative numbers are to the left of 0 and positive numbers are to the right of 0. So, keep it in your mind that we need to move 3 times from -2 to the left. Why to the left? Because all negative numbers are to the left of 0. So look at the arrow. It is going to the left. How many times we move? We move 3 times. So let's go to the starting point, which is -2. Let's count 3 times to the left. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I need to stop now. Why should I stop? Because we will move only 3 times from -2 to the left. So 1, 2, and 3. So where did I stop? What number? I stopped in -5. So what is the answer then? The answer of -2 and -3 is -5. Is that clear? Okay, I'm going to give another example. I have here negative 10 plus 6, or we can say negative 10 and a positive 6. What will be the sum? So I'm going to rewrite this question. So we can write it this way, plus 6. Now I will show you again my number line. Let's concentrate on our first, then we will move to our second number. Okay. Now here is my number line. I circled negative 10, or I put a square of negative 10 to mark my starter number. And look at the second number. Is it negative or positive? Yes, it's positive. Where are the numbers in the positive? Where are in the number line are positive numbers? Is it to the left of 0 or to the right of 0? Yes, you're correct. Very good. To the right of 0. Therefore, we are going to move to the right. How many times? 6 times. So let's mark now our starter number, which is negative 10, and we will move 6 times from negative 10 to the right. Look at my arrow. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Stop, because we need only 6 to the right. So where do you think my counting or skip counting stop? You are very good. We stop in negative 4. So what is the answer of my negative 10 and 6 or positive 6? Yes, it is negative 4. So let's recap the first exam, our lesson. The first step is you need to check what is the first number. Then you mark in your number line. After that, you are going to check the second number. Is it negative or positive? If it's positive, you're going to move to the right because all positive numbers are to the right of 0. If it is negative, then you are going to move to the, if it is negative, like for example, negative 2, then you are going to move to the left 2 times. Okay? Okay? Now, let's go to the next question. Next example, I mean. I have here, I did not put any more the bracket. Positive 1 and negative 4. So, this is the same thing as positive 1 plus negative 4. Okay, so our first number, our starter number is positive 1 or 1. And our second number is negative 4. Therefore, we are going to start, we have to circle 1, and then we are going to move to the left, because our second number is negative. Remember, keep always in your mind that negative numbers are to the left of 0 and positive numbers are to the right of 0. I will show you again my number line. If you could see, I again circled or put a square, I mark my starting number, which is 1. Now our second number is negative 4. So we are going to move 4 times from 1 to the left. Okay? Now, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to stop again because our number in the second number, we have only negative 4. So we move to the left only 4 times. Okay? Now, I want to ask you, where did we stop? Yes, very good. We stop in -3. I again mark it down so that I know where I stop. Then I'm going to write my final answer, which is -3. Therefore, 1 plus -4 equals -3. Any question? If you have any question, you can watch and rewatch my video again and again until you will understand. Now, I'm going to give you a question. It's your turn, okay? And you can write your answer in your math notebook. You can send it to me or post it or upload it in your Google folder. Okay, here are the questions. Remember all the rules. Mark down the first number, then check whether it's positive and negative. You have to mark it here. Okay, circle it with a pencil, and then you can erase it. Then afterwards, you check, is it negative? So if it's negative, you're going to move to the left. And if it's positive, you're going to move to the right. Okay? I hope you understand my lesson. You can watch it again until you will understand, or you can ask me during the class. See you, year 6. Bye.